Good morning and welcome to Tuesday Tooth Talk. I'm Dr. Kuiper, and today we're going to talk a little bit about PPE, or personal protective equipment, and how it benefits you as the patient, us as the staff, and the community as a whole from preventing the spread of infectious disease, such as right now the coronavirus or COVID-19. So here at Sioux Center Dental, we always try and go and be above and beyond to make sure that you're protected. So the steps that we take include what I'm wearing right now, which is a lab coat or a surgical gown to cover everything that we're wearing on underneath. That keeps kind of the splatter and other stuff from getting on us, and it keeps us from taking that and bringing it to another patient. On top of that, as you've probably seen before, we always wear gloves. Those gloves are disposed of in between every patient. Oftentimes we change gloves in the middle of procedures. Anytime they get soiled or contaminated, we try and switch them out. Along with that, two other things that we wear for our face. One is a newer thing we'll be implementing, which are face shields. So these are going to be over top of our normal glasses and masks, just to keep some of the splatter off the masks and also kind of preserve the protective equipment, such as regular masks, so that we're not going through so many of the supplies that the hospitals are needing for the critical infrastructure and taking care of the very sick COVID-19 patients. So underneath those face shields, we'll be wearing face masks. So we have your usual surgical masks, which come in various colors, shapes, and sizes, but the gist of things is they filter and protect from aerosols. This would be a N95 respirator. This filters out much more than what your typical surgical mask will, but frankly they are more expensive, harder to use, and also harder to breathe through. So what we'll be doing at Sioux Center Dental is wearing either one of these two, depending on the type of procedure that we'll be performing, and wearing a face shield over top to keep the splatter off of these so that we can try and maintain and be as efficient as possible with the use of this, so that we're helping out our hospitals and our care centers have the supplies of protective equipment they need to take care of COVID-19, flu patients, whatever it might be, and that they don't run low. But at the end of the day, also ensuring that you as our patient, when you're here, are safe and protected, and that we are contributing as much as we possibly can from spreading any sort of coronavirus or flu, cold, whatever it might be, from patient to patient. So with your help, we're going to be doing our best to maintain the level of health here in Sioux Center and the surrounding communities, while still providing you with the quality care that you deserve. So if you have any questions or concerns about what we're doing to protect you or the community, please give us a call. We'd love to help answer those. Otherwise, enjoy the rest of your day.